Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sitting down to film my very first empties video, which is wild. Over the past, like 3 years since I started my channel, I have never done an empties video. And I've gone through so many products. I really wish I would have started this a while ago. But recently, for some reason, I've been getting so many comments asking me to do an empties video. And I couldn't believe that I had never done that. So I started to kind of gather a few of the things that I was running out of. Some of the things I had already replaced, so I'm still gonna tell you guys what I have recently repurchased. But yeah, I'm really excited to tell you guys all the things that I have been using up because a lot of these things are like skincare items and things that I don't really get to share too often on my channel, so I'm really excited and hopefully you guys are excited too. Let's just get right into it. Okay, I'm gonna be starting with skincare, and the first thing that I just recently ran out of is this right here. It's the Slay Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser from Drunk Elephant. I used every last bit of this. It is absolutely amazing. I love to use this very first when I remove my makeup at night. It comes with a little spatula that magnets onto the top, which is fabulous. So I just take a scoop out, I just put it directly on my face, and then I rub it into the skin, and it will help just literally melt the makeup off of the skin. And it feels so smooth, it's never drying, and then I go ahead and rinse that off. By the way, I've already repurchased this, and I'm on my second tube of this, or tub, I guess I should say. It's amazing. This is also my second bottle of this right here. This is the Drunk Elephant Bestie number 9 Jelly Cleanser. I rotate through a ton of cleansers, and I actually tossed the bottle that's actually empty, so this is the brand new one. But this is an amazing cleanser for days where I'm just feeling like my skin needs something a little bit more balancing. I have other cleansers that have like AHAs in it, which I really like if I feel like my skin needs to be brightened. But if I'm gonna do like a face mask or if my skin's kind of irritated, I reach for this one and it works really well for me. I love to use it with my Clarisonic as well. So I'll put like a dollop in my hand and I will lather it on the skin after rinsing off the cleansing balm. And then I go in with my Clarisonic and I just feel like it helps to foam it up versus putting the cleanser directly on the Clarisonic brush, you know? Anyway, I really have enjoyed it and it's really gentle and I'm really happy that I'm on a second bottle of that. So it's no secret that I love Drunk Elephant. It's one of my very favorite skincare brands. It is definitely an investment, but these products I'm sharing with you are so good. My next empty is the Lala Retro Whipped Cream. This is probably my 5th or 6th container of this, and I recently received the brand new version in the mail. I do receive PR from them sometimes, and they changed the formula slightly, and I'm still not sure if I like the new one as much as I like this original formula. I live in a really dry, cold climate, and so this one was a little bit more of a thick, rich moisturizer. The new one has a little bit more of a thinner consistency. So many people prefer the new one to this one, but I still don't know. I love this cream anyways. I love the new one still, but I almost think I like the old version a little bit better. But I use this every single night. It's my night cream, and it just provides so much moisture to the skin, and it's also just a very simple, basic cream in the best way. And what I mean by that is there's just not like too many extra things that are going to irritate the skin. So I've gone through so many of those. I just ran out of this Virgin Marula Luxury Face Oil from Drunk Elephant. This lasted me forever. I could not believe that I went through this because I don't always use this every night, and when I do about like 2 to 4 drops. That's it. So this was quite a big bottle and it lasted me a very long time, but I will mix this in with my Lala Retro Whipped Cream at night when I want a bit more hydration. And so I started using this a little bit more with the newer version just because I felt like I needed even more hydration with that new formula. It's a great face oil. It's good for acne prone skin as well. It's not going to break you out. So I really enjoyed this. This next face cream, I have to blame my husband for emptying this one out. We've gone through about 2 together, 2.5 now maybe. But my husband is hooked on this as much as I am. Thank heavens he hasn't dipped into my Drunk Elephant products because I would be nervous that he would be using those too. But this is the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream and it is also empty. It smells so good, you guys. Oh my gosh. This cream is beautiful if you have dry skin, and it leaves your skin looking so dewy but never oily, which is what I really love about it. And that's what my husband also really loves about it because he doesn't want his skin to look or feel greasy, but it's super hydrating. This also works beautifully under makeup if you're somebody like me and you're a makeup lover. Makeup lays so gorgeously on top of this product right here. So it's a fan favorite in our household and it smells amazing, and gosh, I just love this stuff so much. I think it's the best product that they've ever come out with, personally. That's just my opinion, but I absolutely love the Dewy Skin Cream. Okay, this is almost empty. I have some that have like just a tiny bit more product left, but it's basically empty, so I've repurchased it. I can't live without this. This is the Bioderma Micellar Water. I seriously don't know what I ever did without this. This is probably my 3rd bottle, and I just bought my 4th, I believe. This is amazing for removing any residue after I wash my face around the eye area. It doesn't leave my skin feeling oily, it doesn't irritate my eyes, it gets rid of all of the dirt and the mascara and everything like that around the eyes. It is so good. I seriously can't live without this. I'm absolutely obsessed with this. This is like the travel size bottle. I actually take a minute to go through these because I only use this around the eye area. But I recently just purchased a larger bottle and then another one of these because this is really convenient when I do travel. I take this with me. It's one of my favorite products ever. If you haven't tried this, you must. It is so good. All right, my next 2 empties, I'm probably on like my 7th or 8th bottle of this right here. This is the Halo Beauty Kiwi Seed Booster. These are supplements that help promote clear, glowing skin. I swear by these, you guys. I've been taking these for several months straight and I notice a huge difference. And anytime that I stop taking them just because I'm lazy and I don't always remember to take my vitamins, like one time I missed like a week and a half of taking all of my vitamins because my skin was looking really good, I was eating really clean, and I thought that I could handle not taking my vitamins. Turns out I was wrong. I noticed a huge difference immediately after that week went by, and I, ever since then, have not missed a day. I've been a huge fan of Halo for a long time. I'm not just saying this. These are vitamins that I have tried for months now, actually years. Ever since the brand launched, I started off with the hair, skin, and nails formula, and now I take the Kiwi. This is my favorite because I personally just want clear skin, you know? So this one focuses on skin. And then I have recently been trying out this right here, which is the Body and Brain Booster from Halo as well. They're formulated to work together, and I've really been enjoying this. This is my 2nd bottle. I'm currently on my 3rd one right now, so I'm on my 3rd month of taking this. Usually it takes me about 2 to 3 months to really start to see if I'm noticing a difference, and so far so good with this one. I keep taking it because I really enjoy it. But yeah, I can't live without these. These are part of my daily routine, and I absolutely love them. As always, you guys, before taking any supplements, make sure you talk to a doctor, but I wanted to include these in here because I have gone through several of Halo Beauty's supplements. Okay, next we have a hair product, and this is probably our 4th or 5th container of this. I say our because my husband also uses this. This is the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo, and my goodness, this is such an amazing shampoo. Here's what's left. I probably have like half of a shampoo left in here. This smells so good. It feels amazing on the scalp. This is great to use if you're somebody who uses a lot of hair products or if you're someone who uses dry shampoo. I like to use this about once a week, sometimes maybe once every 2 weeks, depending on how much buildup I have in my hair. And it just helps get all of that debris. It helps to kind of detoxify the scalp, and it just feels so soothing on the scalp as well. It has little tiny micro beads that feel amazing when you massage them on your head, and I just love it. And so does my husband. We have seriously gone through so many of these. I will not ever stop buying these. They are fabulous. All right, let's do fragrance and then we'll move into makeup. You guys, I have never gone through a perfume ever in my entire life until this one. This is my go-to scent. It's like my signature scent, I feel like. There's a little bit left in here, but the nozzle is already having troubles spitting that out. So I've already purchased a new one. I absolutely love this. This smells so good. It's hands down my favorite perfume. This is the Glossier You perfume, and I absolutely love it. It's lasted me a long time. It lasts really well on my clothes and on my skin, and I always get so many compliments when I wear this. So I definitely wanted to share it with you guys, and I better use up that last little bit. Okay, maybe I'll spritz myself right now. Ooh, it's just so good, you guys. It's kind of masculine but fresh, and it's just an amazing fragrance. I'm obsessed with this. Okay, this technically isn't empty either, but I wanted to share it with you because this is probably our 4th tube of this. So again, this is something that both my husband and I use. This is the Bite Beauty Agave Lip Mask. So we've made quite a dent in this one. But yeah, like I said, we've gone through several of these. This is what we both put on our lips before we go to sleep, and I swear by it. I swear to you, it helps to really plump up my lips. My lips are never dry. And when I I'm using this consistently, I swear my lip lines lessen. Like, this is holy grail status. This is another one of those products that I will never stop buying, and it will probably be in several empties videos if I continue to make these types of videos, obviously. I love this. So does my husband. We recommend this to every single person. It's worth every penny. All right, let's move on to makeup. I have 3 Thrive Cosmetics empties. The first one is this right here. This is the Thrive Cosmetics Filtered Effects Soft Focus HD Setting Powder. I love this. It blurs the skin. It has hyaluronic acid in it as well, so it attracts moisture to the skin. It just is so beautiful. It looks amazing over like every foundation and concealer I've ever tried it over. I actually love the packaging. You open it up and there's a little mesh layer in here, which I actually cut open to make sure I got all the bits of powder left. And then I later found out that you can simply just pop off the top and you can get into the rest of the powder when you start to run low. So that's what I would recommend. I wouldn't recommend trying to cut out the mesh like I did. It doesn't look as cute. But yeah, this is an amazing setting powder. I don't think I've ever gone through a setting powder, have I? I honestly don't think I have. This is the first time I've gone through an entire powder. It's beautiful. I'm obsessed with it. You guys need to try it if you haven't. My next empty from Thrive Cosmetics is the Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. This is absolutely everything. I love this. It's one of my very favorite mascaras. It's such a unique formula. It's a tubing mascara, so it lengthens your lashes like none other, but it doesn't smudge or flake. It's almost like it's waterproof, but it's not. It actually removes really easily. It doesn't tug at the lashes. It's really fun to take off actually, and it is my favorite. I love this. I will never not have a Thrive Cosmetics mascara in my makeup stash. Okay, that's how much I love it. I also just went through a Thrive Cosmetics Infinity Waterproof Eyebrow Liner. This is in the shade Audrey. I really like this one because it stays on my brows. It's waterproof. And if you guys don't know, I don't have that many brow hairs. I have to draw on quite a bit of my brows, so I need something that's gonna last the entire day, and this really does. I absolutely love this, and yeah, I'm on my second brow pencil, which is crazy. Apparently, I go through brow pencils because I actually have 2 more brow pencils to share with you guys. The next brow pencil is the Benefit Precisely My Brow. I actually tossed 2 of them actually. This is a new one, but I wanted to mention it because I go through these like crazy. I like to go between the shades 4 and 3.5. This one is shade 4. I'm actually wearing it in my brows right now. I love this one for the same reasons why I love the Thrive one. It just lasts in the brows. I need something that's gonna stay all day. This is beautiful, such a staple. The third brow pencil is this one right here from M Cosmetics. This is actually another shade because I tossed the other one too. The shade that I went through is Deep Brunette. This is Brunette, and I am going through this one now. I absolutely love this because it has such a super fine tip. I don't know if you can see this. I'm gonna try to show you. Hello. I don't know if you can really see that, but it has an amazing fine tip. I love how realistic my brows look when I use this, and I definitely feel like I will repurchase it. I'm gonna go through this shade. I definitely prefer the deep taupe shade on me, but this is amazing as well, and I just love the formula, and I love the applicator on this. It's awesome. All right, another mascara that I just went through and I threw it out as well. You guys, if you want to see more empties videos, I will definitely be more conscious about keeping my bottles of things to show you, but this is my second tube of this. This is the Hourglass Caution Mascara. I absolutely love this mascara. I feel like this mascara is a hit or miss with people. It just depends on the lash effect that you like. If you like something that's going to be extremely voluminous, you will love this. The thing that I've noticed about this, and actually the Thrive Cosmetics mascara, is you can't wait between coats to layer it up. You have to just do one eye at a time. And if you do that, and if you take the time to really build it up, you will get insanely voluminous lashes. It's one of my very favorite mascaras of all time. I just threw out my brow gel. This is a brand new one as well. But this is the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. That other one lasted me forever. This is my favorite clear brow gel. My brow hairs do not move every single time I use it. This is definitely something that I can't live without. It's a desert island type of an item. And yeah, this is my second bottle of this. I absolutely love this clear brow gel. Can't live without that. Last but not least, we have a contour wand from Charlotte Tilbury that I surprisingly ran out of. This is the Hollywood Contour Wand, and I'm in the shade Fair Medium. I absolutely love this contour wand. It is so beautiful, and it's kind of crazy that I went through this first. I have a lot of things that are like nearing the end that I'll save for another empties video, but this is so natural. The way it applies to the skin is just so user-friendly, I guess. Sometimes when I see contour products like this, I get a little bit scared, especially when the shade is a little bit deeper. Let me see if I can get some onto my hand. Okay, yeah, there's a little bit left on the applicator, but sometimes when you see colors like this, it might seem really intimidating, but the great thing about it is it blends out like an absolute dream. I love the formula. It never looks over the top. It blends out so well. Like, can you even see it? No, because it blends out so beautifully. So I do have a backup of this in my backup container. I actually do have a backup container where I keep all the products that I love, and I do have one of these in there, so I need to go grab it. But this is another one of my empties, which is kind of crazy that I've gone through an entire one of these, but it's absolutely amazing. I love it. All right, you guys, that completes my first empties video. Like I said before, if you guys like this style of video, let me know in the comments because I can continue to make them. I feel like I could make one pretty soon, probably in the next couple months or so, because I do have a few more products that are almost empty that I will definitely be going through in the next month or two. So let me know in the comments if that's something you would want to see. If you're new here, hi, my name is Allie, and I would love for you to join the family. You can do so by hitting the subscribe button. And if you're already a subscriber but you want to be notified on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, click on the bell after you subscribe and you'll get a notification every single time I upload. That's it for today's video. I would love to know in the comments what your most recent empty is, okay? So leave that in the comments down below before you go. I hope you guys have an amazing day wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Love you. Bye!